Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAIKAL bin Muhammad ZAIDY. Today I will present Hvac lab test part B. Okay, for the first question was asked about display how you identify the high pressure port and low pressure port on actual vehicle. Okay, first I use proton cyclophorex, and high pressure port and low pressure port is shown when it indicate L on its hose cap and H. L mean low pressure port and H mean high pressure port. Okay, then for the second question was asked me about to perform the checking on the refrigerant leak on actual vehicle. Okay, first we use soapy water and we place it along the hose, and before that we must run the car, we must run the engine for 30 minutes before we doing this. If any leakage happen, it will make a bubble. Then for the other method, we can use a sensor detector device, UV ray. We spray it around the hose, and then we can see if any leakage happen. Okay, that's all.